Lahat kayo, no cold drinks muna ngayon. Pag tap water lang kayo or hot. Or warm. Ha? The whole day today, ha? Nagawa kong iaano ko yung throat coat sa isang pitchel. Kuha na lang kayo.
Isang picture. So, di ba maano yung init? Sayang.
Ha?
Yung init po, yung sayang.
Hindi kasi plastic kasi yan eh.
Ayaw nga.
Mag-throat coat kayo, yan, tubig yan. Pero pag yung throat coat sa cup nyo, anything hot, wag dyan sa plastic.
Plastic.
Pag magtiti kayo, mag-cup na lang kayo.
Okay po. Cause you can't stop the beat. Payat mo na. Hindi. Pagkakabis ko kayo. Ayun.
Saan yung iba? Ay, Chris, pakisabi, decide na yung mga songs.
Sige po. Uy, decide na yung song.
Decide na yung songs, pakisulat na.
Sir, isa lang dapat yung nakaano, hindi siya choices.
Ako isa lang.
Sige, bigay na kayo ng choices kung talagang hindi nyo ma-decide.
Sir, kasi isa lang yung talaga nalalagay kong OPM. Isa lang yun naisip kong OPM.
Sige. Hindi, isa lang. Akala ko marami kang choices.
So, isa lang yun, marami akong choices, pero halos lahat English.
Sige, ilagay mo na lang.
Original daw, sir.
Write your name, tapos lahat ng songs under your name para...
Original? Meron ka na? Meron ka na?
Ano?
Meron ka na ba?
No, wala pa.
Saan?
Song?
For
For
which
next
one?
week and for the grand.
What if we do a boy band song?
Which one?
A made boy band song.
A made boy band song?
Yeah.
What's that mean?
Sailing.
Huh?
Sailing.
I like that song.
Okay.
But I need to have it fast. I have to have fast now. Fast. But I was gonna listen to Old Town, but no, All or Nothing at all, but that's not fast.
Well, I guess I'm ready.
Who's that?
I settle it down, no fooling around, it's over.
Oh, yeah.
And I swear it's true, no buts or maybes.
Kailan yan?
Hold of our own.
Kailan?
By Westline.
Kailan yan?
Lagay mo lang ang mix sa akin. Pero sabi nila Tatsulok style daw.
Tatsulok.
Wala pa akong maisip na Tatsulok
Yung
style.
Journey, meron silang kanta na parang Tatsulok.
Ano?
Something winning. Basta natin medyo narinig ko lang dyan.
Tingnan mo nga Sen, Journey.
Fast song ba?
Journey.